guys. I found this muffler on Marketplace for 25 bucks. Went there, said 15 bucks, and I got it for 15. Really good price. There's a baffle in there. Tried to take it out. It's like welded in there. And I cleaned it up. It's looking pretty nice. It's a little bit too big for mine, but I have already ordered a adapter from, this is 51 to 38. My pipe is 38, but look, it's way longer. I'm planning to put it like that, and yeah, it's gonna be real sexy. I'm gonna do a sound check, and I'll start it up and do a before and after. Yeah.
I can't listen to you for a whole minute. Took a blood test, ain't no whole winner. Watch your motherfucking mouth before I glow. Everything I'm below sea level. Cut your own wrist off with that weak biz.